Welcome, families! In this video, we'll take a closer look at Clever, the one-stop hub that your student uses to access all their virtual learning tools. Let's explore what Clever is, what's inside, and how it helps support your students' learning every day. Clever is a single sign-on platform, which means students only need one login to access all of their learning apps and tools, saving them time and keeping things organized. Once logged into Clever, your student will find apps they use every day, like Lincoln Learning or Imagine, iReady, Zello, PBIS Rewards, and many more. Clever isn't just for learning apps. It's packed with helpful resources too. You'll find quick guides like How Do I Get Started? Or How Do I Upload an Assignment? And the pacing guide is conveniently posted for frequent referencing. There are also executive functioning toolkits and video tutorials that walk you through how to use key platforms step by step. And there's a direct link to the parent or student portal, making it simple to check schedules and grades without needing bookmarks or saved links. Pro tip: if there's an app your student uses often, click the heart icon next to it. That will mark it as a favorite and move it to the top of the dashboard for quick access. Your students' Clever login credentials are the same as their Chromebook and Google profile. There's no need to remember multiple passwords. They can only gain access to their lessons by clicking into their learning management system through Clever. You'll notice trying a direct link to Lincoln or Imagine will not work. If your student prefers using a Clever badge instead, reach out to your mentor teacher and they can provide one. Clever is the first stop for your student each day in virtual learning. It keeps them organized, focused, and connected to all the tools they need. Now that you know how Clever works, take a moment to log in with your student and explore together. If you have questions, your mentor teacher is always available for support. With Clever as your starting point, everything your student needs is just one click away.